Welcome to the TEKS Resource System, an online curriculum management system. This video is designed to introduce you to the system components and help you learn more about them. As a new member of the TEKS Resource System, all staff will receive a welcome email with their username, which will be their full email address, and their password. The easiest way to access the documents in TRS is to use the Curriculum Quick Search. Select grade level, then subject area. High school teachers will also have to choose their course. You'll want to note that World Geography, US History, Biology, and IPC have more than one version. Next, select the folder for the document you would like to use. Let's begin by looking at the first folder, the Vertical Alignment document. The VAD illustrates how TEKS align from one grade level to the next. Included with the SC are specificity and clarification notes explaining what the standard includes. This document allows educators to see what's expected across grade levels and has the standard listed with SE specificity. All content areas have TEKS clarification documents which provide grade level or course-specific SEs with specificity. Math also has the Enhanced TEKS clarification document, which provides detailed specificity through multiple representations for grade level student expectations. Moving on to the year at a glance, the YAG provides a snapshot of the instructional year while bundling SEs into units. The YAG shows the units, the approximate number of days the unit should take, and the TEKS associated with those units. The YAG is available in a 6-week or 9-week format. Next, the TEKS verification document. A companion document to the YAG, the TVD lists students' expectations for a grade level content area and indicates when an SE is a direct teach, ongoing, or developing across units. The instructional focus document are unit planning guides that provide an overview of the unit, overarching ideas and questions, student misconceptions, key vocabulary terms, and unit-level specificity of the TEKS bundled in that unit. The instructional focus document is the bridge between curriculum and instruction. Every unit has performance assessments that align with the learning objectives found on the IFD. Performance assessments are designed to assess application of the learning, that is, the content and the process or skill needed to produce a product. Every performance assessment includes a rubric. Moving on to the resources folder. All content areas have STAR analysis documents that analyze previous STAR assessment items and include a plausible rationale for student errors. Each content area includes a variety of other resources that provide support to teachers. The TEKS resource system also contains an assessment creator, which allows users to create and print unit-aligned assessments and formative assessment items. Access to the assessment center is determined by the district. An extensive support center, a revisions area which tracks changes in the system, and a news and update area are also provided. Congratulations, you have now taken the first step towards achieving instructional excellence. Thank you for making the commitment to utilize TEKS Resource System as your curriculum.